Bali, the island of gods that changes you. A travel guide brought to you by PalapaVibez. There is an island in Southeast Asia where spirituality is woven into daily life so completely that the boundary between sacred and ordinary simply disappears. Every morning, small woven baskets of flowers and incense appear on sidewalks, doorsteps, and temple gates. Ceremonies unfold in village streets with gamelan orchestras and towering fruit offerings. It is beautiful, and it is completely real. This is Bali, and no amount of travel content fully prepares you for what it actually feels like to arrive here.
In this video, we are covering everything: the temples, the rice terraces, the food, where to stay, and exactly how to plan your trip. By the end, you will know whether Bali is the right destination for you. Let's get into it. Bali is one of over 17,000 islands in the Indonesian archipelago. What makes it unlike any other is its religion. While the rest of Indonesia is predominantly Muslim, Bali practices a unique form of Hinduism blended with Buddhist and animist traditions.
That spiritual identity shapes everything about life here. The architecture, the food, the daily rituals, and the extraordinary warmth with which locals welcome strangers. English is widely spoken in tourist areas. The Indonesian rupiah makes Bali remarkably affordable for Western travelers, and the infrastructure for tourism is excellent.
A quality meal at a local warung costs $2 to $5. World-class fine dining rarely exceeds $80 per person.
Bali delivers luxury and value at the same time, which is rare anywhere in the world. The best time to visit is during the dry season from April through October. Even in the wet season, rain typically arrives in short afternoon bursts rather than all-day downpours. Average temperatures stay between 27 and 30 degrees Celsius at the coast, cooler in the highlands. Bali's geography is as dramatic as its culture. Volcanic peaks rise to over 3,000 meters, their slopes terraced with emerald rice paddies that cascade toward black sand beaches and coral-rich coastlines. The south offers world-class surf. The interior around Ubud provides jungle-draped river valleys and ancient temples. The north and east remain quieter, wilder, and deeply traditional. Uluwatu Temple is one of the island's most dramatic experiences. An 11th century sea temple perched on a 70-meter limestone cliff above the Indian Ocean.
Visit at sunset for the nightly Kecak fire dance, performed by a chorus of 50 men chanting in hypnotic unison as the sky turns gold and crimson behind them. It is one of those moments that stays with you long after you leave.
The Tegallalang rice terraces near Ubud are Bali's most iconic landscape. Cascading green paddies sculpted into hillsides using an ancient cooperative irrigation system recognized by UNESCO as a cultural landmark of global significance.
Arrive before 8 in the morning to beat the crowds and catch the mist-softened light that makes these terraces look like a painting.
For adventure, a pre-dawn trek to the summit of Mount Batur rewards, with sunrise views over Lake Batur and the neighboring sacred peak of Mount Agung.
The 2-hour climb is accessible to moderately fit hikers, and local guides will cook your breakfast eggs in volcanic steam at the summit.
Tirta Empul is a sacred water temple where Balinese Hindus purify themselves in natural spring pools fed by underground springs. Visitors are welcome to participate in the purification ritual.
Few experiences on this island connect you more directly to the living spiritual culture that makes Bali unlike anywhere else on Earth. Bali's food scene is one of the most exciting in Southeast Asia. A Michelin-worthy tasting menu exists just kilometers from a roadside warung serving extraordinary food for $3. Both are worth your time.
The dish you must try is Babi Guling, Balinese spit-roasted suckling pig rubbed with turmeric, lemongrass, and a complex spice paste served with rice and crispy skin. Warung Babi Guling Ibu Oka in Ubud is the most famous version on the island. Anthony Bourdain made it internationally known, but the quality earns that reputation on its own.
For fine dining, Locavore in Ubud is one of Asia's most acclaimed restaurants, committed to sourcing 95% of its ingredients from Indonesian producers.
The tasting menu transforms humble local ingredients into dishes of genuine sophistication. Book weeks in advance. It sells out consistently.
Bali's accommodation is as varied as the island itself. The south in Seminyak and Canggu offers beach lifestyle and nightlife. Ubud offers culture, jungle, and wellness. Uluwatu offers clifftop luxury and world-class surf. Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sayan near Ubud is regularly cited among the finest hotels in the world. Set above the Ayana River Gorge with jungle-immersed villas and a rooftop lotus pond that is genuinely extraordinary.
Ayana Resort in Jimbaran occupies 90 hectares of clifftop gardens with the famous rock bar perched on natural rocks above the ocean. For travelers seeking value, Ubud's boutique guest houses offer private pools, rice field views, and genuine Balinese hospitality at a fraction of luxury prices.
The Canggu area has a strong selection of stylish mid-range properties that blend surf culture and contemporary design. Ngurah Rai International Airport serves Bali from the south of the island.
From North America, one-stop connections through Singapore, Tokyo, or Seoul are most common with total travel times around 17 to 18 hours.
From Singapore, it is 2.5 hours. From Sydney, 6 hours. Visa on arrival is available for most nationalities at $35 for 30 days, extendable once.
Do not drink tap water. Wear a sarong and sash at all temples, usually available to rent at the entrance. And if you rent a scooter, wear a helmet and carry your international driving permit.
Bali's traffic requires confidence and full attention. Bali does not just welcome you, it absorbs you.
The ceremonies, the offerings, the golden hour light over rice terraces, the sound of gamelan music drifting from a temple courtyard, it pulls you into a rhythm that makes the rest of the world feel impossibly far away. Whether you come for the temples, the surf, the food, or simply to experience a place where spirituality is still a living part of daily life, Bali delivers something most destinations cannot. An experience that genuinely changes how you see the world. When you are ready to plan your trip, search flights and hotels at PalapaVibez.com. The link is in the description.
We built it to help travelers find the best deals on destinations exactly like this one.
If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow for more travel guides every week. The next destination might be exactly where you have been thinking about going.